What's going on, guys? Chad CRC back with you here on the channel. You're probably thinking, what, another Bardwell flight controller video? Yes, indeed. This just showed up today, and I've had it on pre-order for a couple weeks now because I'm guessing batch one of these has sold out. And I was looking on the website on Race Day Quads, and I was kind of noticing that some of the voltages looked different on this already, and I was thinking, wow, they really would have made changes on the second batch. And I haven't heard anything on the Bardwell channel as far as saying, hey, there's going to be a new batch on, unless he put it on one of his latest live streams or something like that. But anyway, if we take a look here first at the underside of the flight controller, we can see that nothing really is changed here at all. It's pretty much business as usual. Same design, same layout. I don't see anything referencing a different batch number or anything like that at all. So far so good. But if we flip it over, if you look now at the camera input voltage and the video voltage, it's at 9 volts now instead of 7.6. So I think that's supposed to help out maybe with high voltage VTXs and everything like that, which is fine. I'm all about that. That's cool and everything, but I have confidence and faith that this is going to be just fine and not have any issues. But all of us remember what happened when they started tinkering with the CL Racing F4S and it changing around voltages and everything like that. Now, granted, it was a completely different layout. This is pretty much the same, just a little bit of a different voltage on the output there, but it's still, kind of concerning, just because, when stuff like this happens and manufacturers don't really tell us what's going on, we get used to building and using the same board, and we know how it wires up and how it behaves and everything like that, and then all of a sudden we go and order batch 2 and it's like, oh no, like something's been changed. So does that mean that batch 1 is going to be just as good as batch 2, or I mean, is batch 2 going to work as good as batch 1, so on and so forth? I think you guys know what I'm getting at. Now, like I said, I have nothing but faith that this will work just fine and everything is going to be all good, but I just wanted to kind of bring it to everybody's attention and just to kind of stress that, kind of over that video I made a while back ago that just talked about how things just continuously get repopped and revamped and over and over and over and over. If there's no change in this, there's no change in price, there's nothing like that. So all that is all good. It's just a small little change, I'm sure. And we'll hope for the best. And I guess we'll see what happens with version 2 or version 1.3 or whatever comes out next. So that's it, guys. Talk to you later.